Hello, and thank you for taking time to view our short product presentation. You'll see how Abricay designs save time and provide easy pickup using our patented fabric tray. The Quick Pick bag is a compact solution that makes finding and sorting assorted small parts easy. Simply empty the contents of the bag onto the fabric tray, and when you're ready to clean up, just tip up the fabric tray to return items back into the bag. Here we have the Easy Find bag, great for hanging storage and longer objects. Like the Quick Pick bag, this bag features the same easy-to-use fabric tray, making it useful to find one part among many, with a larger surface area and slimmer profile. The bucket cape can be attached to most 5-gallon buckets by way of its adjustable nylon strap. This lets us bring the same utility of our bags to a larger scale, great for anyone who enjoys the all-purpose functionality of a good old bucket with no need to pick up anything ever.